What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download and save Google Maps on your phone. What this will allow you to do is, you'll be able to access your maps wherever you are, whenever. So basically, even if you don't have a Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection, you will be able to use the navigation system, you will be able to go through maps, and everything will be just as if you were connected to the internet. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So there are two ways to do this. My personal favorite is the first one just because it's a little bit easier. So what you want to do is open up Google Maps and go into the search bar, enter the area or the place that you want to basically download, click on the area and then open up the location, click the location and click the download button. Then you will be presented with a screen that will basically allow you to select the area that you want to download. So it depends on the area that you select, how big the file size will be. So if you select a smaller area, the file size will be smaller, let's say 50 megabytes. And if you select a bigger area, the file size will be of course bigger, maybe 200, 300 megabytes. And after you select the area, just click download, and after that just wait, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, depends on how fast your Wi-Fi connection is, for Google Maps to download the whole map and save it to your device. After that, you're all set and good to go. And here's the second option. It's really similar to the first one, it's just a little bit different. So open up Google Maps, go into the upper left menu and tap the three little dots and select download offline maps, something along those lines. You will see here on your right on the screen, and just basically it will be the exact same process. You will select either a custom area or your local area, and then it will ask you to select the area size of the area that you want to save the map of. So basically just select the area and click download, and basically repeat the process of waiting, wait for the map to download, and voila, you will be able to use Google Maps offline. The whole process is really easy, but it can be a little bit confusing or hard to find maybe for some people, so this video is meant to help those people out. So that's basically it. You have two options which are actually one and the same to download Google Maps, and these two options will allow you to use Google Maps offline. If this video helped you out in any way, please drop this video a like, comment down below if you have any advice for that maybe helped you out and maybe will help someone else out. And if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.